say, ano binaka? This is our Palangi Show. We are live on our Facebook page.
Right.
Dan matang di binggar di kuwa. Wherever you are listening from, maybe in Tonga
Right.
or Samoa or in the Cook Islands, we say ano binaka. To all our friends in Vanuatu.
Right.
Ano binaka? We kim nin bito ka ni ulima na mataka bidang ni kuwa and matang di tulebu Aotearoa. Mataki na matang di tulebu Australia. Ni Andra ni matang binaka. Ano binaka? Dem sa ano binaka? Eleanor.
Yana Binaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning, boarding the bus, the taxi, the private vehicles, or the minibus this morning, the drivers. Yana Binaka, we hope that you will enjoy Ouch Palang's show today, and also,
Yeah.
whatever activities or whatever job that you are doing right now, we send our best wishes.
Right.
Nabanu ni Binaka, and today is Thursday,
Yeah.
and Thursday.
Yeah.
Sabo lang kasara na Friday
Yeah.
before we enjoy our weekend.
Doon mo binaka. Dems?
Well, good morning to Bentari and Aman.
Right.
And the boys from the Lokia bus, this island bus to the Nasese bus, they coming. From Lokia to Subawi, good morning to you this morning.
Right.
We are so fortunate enough here, and you are fortunate enough
Right.
there, that we can listening,
Right.
we can hear,
Right.
we can feel the
Another,
feelings of
right.
another life.
True.
Doon mo binaka.
True.
Woo! Feelings of
Dababir
another
binaka,
life.
dababir
Yeah.
binaka tiko, ni soli tu na nraki may langan na sigmo na kanikwa.
Iyo.
Se tatuki tiko na nanda uto.
Iyo.
Namaro tiko.
Tara mandanan numuto siya balatiko.
Abala tiko adi.
To all the Luve Namuka in Fiji,
Mabuata.
in Maduata. Well, looking forward to their songo
Right.
this Sunday at Ratsukura Memorial School. It starts at 10 o'clock in the morning and will finish at 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
Right.
Solid.
Yeah.
Batakira naman yung may sota pa mata bubali.
Speaking of songo,
Iyo,
what kind of dance do you dance during the songos?
malapit dance of course.
Wow.
This one,
Messi.
this one
What
always the best dance for
Right.
you. He always choose the two-step, the what you call it, the
Walls.
Waltz.
two-step.
Wow.
Slow music,
Yes.
soft music, so that
Mamosia music.
yeah, so that he can speak to the ear of the earlobe.
Yeah, that's happened. That's happened. But myself, when I'm dope, it's like the grogging is like the sister. Kami karubingan ini tu betana Danis.
Okay.
Because once you dope of the grogging, because some people they can respect your dope.
Yeah,
Right.
Nandani siya lang minta pa kure laki.
yeah.
Kila nangone officer tuga kira na medo.
The momentum.
Yeah, the momentum is like it's not
The full momentum.
the full momentum.
Right.
Yeah.
It's not that pie. So, kodi tu net bula binaka talafala pa BTF manuale aso.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Eh.
Waktu na matela la mai na leo ni macer na wekula ni mater siya boy tabua.
Oh, they rock the stage.
Tugera to moto ano siya may tao ya na burbi to kadi na matadi ko. Okay. Still on dancing, we'll talk about the dancing, different style of dancing.
Right.
And matadi ko, be Dems.
Saluran sakit, baru demo.
He's sorry di chingo. The ballet kind of dancing.
That
Right.
kind of the belt kind of dancing.
Yeah.
This
Tiptoeing.
kind of dancing you move around the waist.
Right?
Mo dapat na tolong. Baka membeli ti the weird ko.
Yeah.
You round and round.
Iyo.
That's a kind of
Ballet is tiptoeing.
ngona mbele ti.
Ballet.
Oh,
Yeah.
ballet.
Iyo ko
Yan ang footwork, but fluid movement.
Yeah, pero ang taga ko na ballet.
Iya.
Silent T, eh?
Oh, ballet.
Iyo, ballet.
Right.
Kuya rando, kuya
Iyo mbele gor montani si mebuni mbele.
Yeah, the Fijian style is the ballet.
Yes.
Together with the belt, you
Right.
one ballet.
Momuri na puno
Iya.
tikinari.
Probeso bata ng
Oh,
ballet.
Dani mo tiptoe.
Iyo.
Right. Dani is tiptoe. Mamurumura man.
Tiptoe through the ballet.
Okay, tap dance.
Tap dance is a kind of dance that you tap your toe.
Right. Tap your feet.
Tap,
Yeah.
tap,
Yeah.
toe,
Right.
tap, toe. That's the one.
Hip hop.
Hip hop, you up and down, up and down. Mo hip hop.
Electrifying, yeah. Hip hop
Iyo.
is like
It's like
electrifying.
the moving body
Right.
and
Yeah.
mo
Right.
hip hop,
Uh-huh.
hip hop.
Right.
Timboto.
Right.
Those who don't know the Timboto.
The Timboto only one driver.
Maybe some
Right.
visitors from overseas are tuning from the hotels in the all over the country
Right.
this morning.
So-
Tell them the Timboto style.
The
dancing,
Timboto
Timboto style.
style. The Timboto style. It's only one driver.
Right.
Oi.
Everybody lines at the back.
Right. And then you do your different kind
Iya,
of
different
movement,
kind.
Right.
Ilitiwa na ta singaliti si tarusi sini the one in front of you. Why sinarusa?
Iya.
May umbulare sa usaw mo, may umbulare.
Makata po na house dance.
How's yan go na dance in front of the mirror? In the home.
Right.
Dance sa home.
Right.
That's a kind of dance of the house dance.
Okay, traditional folk.
Traditional folk mo.
Ano gusto na matagal dari sa
Iya.
mata?
Iyan
Tarlala.
Iya, matanggal yung may kapakabit, mga takinan na namatay ba?
Iya nga ni.
Uy,
Tama ko traditional folk.
yeah, folk dance.
Oh yeah. Go kind of dance that traditional one eh.
Matay ba, merto na benta pa ng bentanis.
Sila po traditional folk.
Iya, sana.
Uy.
Traditional folk dance.
Oy, so.
Iya.
Ano
F-O-L-K.
matagal dance yung mga tayo kinamatay ba?
Iyo. Na hula dance.
Hula dance. The
Shaggy.
hula, we know the hula.
Right.
The hula is Rosiningaw know the hula.
Right.
Oy!
Yeah. The hula is just to move your hip.
Wow.
Every parts of the body will rest.
Right.
Rest.
Only the movement comes from the what?
Yeah, from the hips.
From the center of the gravity.
Shaggy.
Segi.
Right.
You hula and your right leg and you just opposite.
Right.
Buto baka mong guys segi taga to kumalo.
Oy!
Yeah, that's a hula.
Our Polynesian brothers and sisters, they are known for that.
Yeah. How about the taralala?
Tarala is very good.
Yeah.
Everybody loves a tarala.
Right.
Yeah.
These are like a scrum in rugby.
Right.
Like two on the side and one on the middle.
Right.
Right.
Baka meron
Short
powder.
hips.
They
Yeah.
powder the middle
Right.
one.
Right.
Especially the tabale or the tawu.
Yeah.
They doing the
So,
triplet.
so during a song, if you are eyeing one pretty girl,
Right.
which type of dance do you think is the best?
Suitable.
Yes, suitable.
Right.
Me raw cleans ba takira ka iko ngandra ba mo tukuno ba?
The kind of
Will
dance.
you what will you use to convey to the pretty girl that you want to talk to?
I don't want to use any style of dance.
Right.
But I want the type of day.
Taekwondo.
Type of day. Yeah?
May mat-
Explain.
Go nangaw na ni nomundani si.
Right.
Kaya baka singali bututu biyan renre. Kaya
Oh,
matakalalay biyan renre.
Okay.
Kung ka pinaka, nakabangor mendale. Kaya baka
Karombo.
ko tu tarlala siya tu imbota siya na. Hindi ko sabi pa sol ka karang nga pinaka nga bibili karombo na banu.
Okay,
Yeah.
what if the girl is living in midday?
During the midday.
During the
Kesalahan
midday.
totally.
Kaya mo to sama tagalilinga sa tigabu. And then no girl sama rumbi busar nga midday.
Tarong ka tamay ka. Why you want to live in? Ata mo may ka. Nakiri mo ni Songo nimbong. Ata mo may ka mongo. Why you want to come? Kaya baka...
The only way that you have to talk to her is through the dancing.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, alright.
What kind of dancing is suitable?
If she wants to leave early in
Yeah.
the middle of the day, leave because okay na siya kaya baka nasangay ko nang una mo binakatamon robital no. And ang rin nga buha.
The technique, the eyes, you can use that. All the communication.
Nawala may na mata mo na rimo. Nawala may na kambulu. Di kaysa siya nga ni Loman na sila.
Ada, doon ka na chika tele wala kira ng message baru tahu betul.
Wala ta ka tama na may buha.
Arto kira betul so abuti itu ba.
Staff ka sa Chicken Express may demoda doyan benaka.
Iya daw wati ako kenda so kenda ko tamay baka wati tu duru eh.
Iya, iya.
Through
So,
dancing.
Danisi.
Iya.
So dandanisi tu nang unisong ko.
So,
Isinimbalatan na nandanisi, isinimbalatan na Facebook, isinimbalatan na TikTok. Embalatan nga nanguna sa kilay tu ninro na may sota kinamon robi.
Right.
Iya.
Eh? So bikin teman-teman tamay sota tu, da sota tu badal kanggiri dalam beka nga. So nakinta dala ko tungan di bita balen, so ngunita balen no na friend beka.
Iya.
Talibi kilay kina sali connect sara.
Dir sir.
Isa.
Lepani tagi tagi ba yar benaka, yar benaka.
So tangon ni showcase, ngunit kanibol.
Iya.
So alibi ibu kembeka nga rhythm beka na itubak ni alom. So kwatep beka buwan akad nimbas. Ndo na wibu ki ba ya?
Iya.
Terus ali tiga bubi kila mekina. Ali alsar na.
Kira-kira cuma mo naita sere mo hula manta.
Lepan itangi lagi mbau moroka.
Iya. Arto kikinda dal lang kasi may tak. Satu tago ko mo tunod sikirikate.
Asigra, awalnya dia tahu juga. Asigra ni, asigra orang kago. Awak kira tu apa kata-kata na hindi
Oy,
niyo.
sala ka nakatin. Oy, kako na bandin din na. Usabi na katiko, chiko.
Namun naman talo mo nga bitan berkatin.
Nakatin rin ngayon na mera scam taka. Terus ini nga wall to wall.
Ya sudah kalah satu tak tu sange tu kalah saya di sana tu bukan nanti udah pulang.
Ah.
Sange tu mereka tu udah kena lebih spoil tak.
Iya.
Oh mimpi cuma returbo ni may feel lebih kado tu.
Berbahaya minta pital loro, minta yang mata tekken tengah.
Eh, so-
Una.
Iya.
Lago sartungan yang dua saset sartungan lima bamba talen dua. Lima bamba yang dua gue lima kota datang ke anggota le. Sku ko kangur sa bawat itu.
So vamos main na nona engkona ko maroro itu boleh
Iya.
na chisa kaka dengan Revi. Ya sangat tu kan ni Revi dengan Revi musa kena gol.
Kan dia nasar. Kita korbo bikin dan tengane sa tosuk nembaki bomawili.
Right.
Tu boleh borong tu juga bital logo.
Motivate ki ko tipo.
Motivate tagi ko. Beki berbakanta ya nonon da italo na matang di kuah kay lebu tala na mataka di mataka.
Right.
Ere matanggal li mateso and do to weekend. Eh?
Don binaka.
Right.